organizing my bathroom counter. When I work a lot, I tend to neglect where I get ready for the day. So, let's get started. It's actually a little harder for me to work that way, so I have these bins down here with me so I can to like help me organize because I have a lot. And like listen to this. I have a lot. Okay, let's go. Love. Look at that. Viseart eyeshadow palette. Love. This cream, eye cream. Don't like it. I have salicylic acid in them, so these are great. Banana cream. Oh, I love this. And I hate that that brand likes to take it away periodically in between times. I like Nature Republic. Amika? Beautiful. I got this for free. I think it's fine. All nighter. I do like this. I'm almost out. There's Mario Badescu Rose Water. This deodorant I actually truly love. I've been using this for many years. A beautiful blush, just so you see which one it is. This brand I love, and it's in the color Poppy. My friend got me this originally and I've been loving it ever since. Elf lip sheer blush tint, and I thought this was nice, but Juvia's Place, I love their concealers. The Extra Hold Tresemme, I can't even think what this is called. Hairspray. I like this. Supergoops sunscreen, the clear one. Love it. So I need to say that the Amazon Basics makeup wipes, I do like those. Can make these little powders. And they go on transparent, and just look how cute the packaging is. This, the Orbe dry shampoo, amazing. Body glitter roll, I like this. It's called Lavender Stardust, I guess. Oh, this one's a good one. 100% pure, their bamboo powder. Love this. The Creme Shop, My Melody. I think it's fine. Like the Wow Dream Coat, gorgeous. Kors mask, love it. Milk's bronzer, yes. The Becca highlighter, and like it's like a light pink under eye, it's fine. Diptyque, this one's good. So cute. Anything Miffy, I'm like, ooh, I found another one. The eye makeup remover. So cute too. This is their blush. Ooh. Yamore Pacific. This one is their press or the cushion foundation. I use this one down to the bit. Like, look at that. And Miffy press on tattoos. This one is called Suppin Powder, and it smells so good. Jumbo sticks. They're just not my favorite. And Juvia's Place. This is their blush. Like, gorgeous. And the Urban Decay, I think this is more of an eyeshadow, but I like to use it as a highlighter because I like green. I need to replace. This one I like a lot. It has like the mascara, it comes like in little tubes. You can go tubes. It's called Lash Power. Just gotta wipe everything down. Everything needs to be cleaned. So right now I'm using a makeup wipe just to like get off all of this makeup stains. Say hi to the girls. Okay. Ooh, here. Keeps me motivated. Don't feel sad that there's no art here. I am going to be putting up wallpaper, so it'll be pretty and aesthetic. Oh, you guys, we made such progress. And you witnessed it.